Welcome. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to disable dark mode in Google Chrome with the latest updated method. If your browser has switched to dark mode and you'd rather browse in a brighter, cleaner look, you can change it back to light mode in just a few quick steps. Let's go through them together. First, open up Google Chrome on your device. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which is the menu button. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. From the menu that appears, find and select Settings. This will take you straight into Chrome's main settings page, where all your preferences and options are managed. Now scroll down through the settings until you see the section labeled Theme. Tap on Theme, and this is where you can decide how Chrome looks. By default, Chrome may be set to Dark or System Default, which follows your device's appearance settings. To turn off dark mode completely, choose Light. As soon as you select it, Chrome will refresh its appearance, and you'll see the new lighter theme instantly applied. That's all it takes. Just 4 simple steps. Open Chrome, tap the 3 dots, go to Settings, and change the theme to light. Once you've done this, you'll be browsing the internet with a brighter interface that feels clean and easy on the eyes. The nice thing about this setting is that you can come back anytime and switch between light, dark, or system default depending on your preferences. So if you ever change your mind and want to return to dark mode, the exact same steps will bring you right back to it. Disabling dark mode in Chrome is quick, straightforward, and leaves you completely in control of how your browser looks. If you enjoy a sharp, bright interface for reading, working, or simply surfing the web, keeping Chrome in light mode is the perfect choice. And that's how you update Chrome's look and disable dark mode with ease.